Now in JavaScript, we have defined a function called remove every other. Now remember, in JavaScript, they love using it together. Remember, in coding, we don't allow word space. For instance, let's say now the name of the function is called remove every other. So you won't see remove space every space other. Either you put them together like remove every other, or remove underscore every underscore other, or in some cases wants to work, I see something like remove hyphen every hyphen other, but I love using underscore all together. So yeah, we use a filter function to keep only elements at even indexes, and if the element can be divisible by 2, we'll keep it. How to do that quickly without any much ado? We use return keyword, then bring in the attributes parameter array, then the filter method, then we do underscore I, sorry, underscore, that was a network issue, network challenge. So if I is divisible by 2, then you should keep it. Always end the JS with a semicolon. So let's do for print out and see console.log, just to be sure that what we're doing is just log. Then we'll bring in the what we had there, the same parameters, and see test and say remove the extras here, and let's test and see. So you see, keep attempt. Oh, so it worked. So the